So guys, ito na po yung atin pong finished product. Ayan, yung atin pong torta guys. Ayan, if you can see, ayan, medyo makapal po siya guys. Magkakapal yung pagkakagawa natin. Buong buo yung atin pong eggplant. Ayan, nag-start na po tayo guys para po sa ating lulutuin for today. Ito po yung ating talong. Inihaw na po natin yan guys. So guys, ito po yung minced beef. Nilagyan ko po siya ng seasoning. Ayan, salt, pepper, and Ajinomoto, of course, I'm using. And also, I put garlic powder and onion. Yan yung ating gagamitin natin sa paggawa natin ng tortang talong today, guys. So, ayan po yung nakikita natin, guys, no? Ito yung ingredients ng ating pong gagawing eggplant. Tortang talong, guys. So, guys, mag-start na po tayo magluto ng torta. Ayan. For the first thing, ayan, maglagay po tayo ng first layer. Ayan. Ito po yung first layer natin ng meat. Okay. And then, ipapalo po natin yung ating pong torta, guys. Yung ating pong eggplant. And the last, lalagyan po natin sa taas uli ng minced beef, guys. Yan po yung ating tortang talong, guys. Ikukutit po natin yung ating pong eggplant ng beef. Ganyan lang po ang pagtutorta ko, guys. Ayan, very simple. First coating, minced beef. And the second is the eggplant. And the third layer, guys, is yung ating minced beef again. So, yan po yung ating pong torta. Easy way, easy cooking for torta. Eggplant with minced beef. The same time, you have very delicious and very nutritious round box. Another layer at another po ng paggawa natin ng torta, guys. So guys, yan, as you can see, guys, yan, yun yung ating tortang talong. Ayan, binaliktad na po natin. Ito po yung the other side ng ating tortang talong, guys. I-high flame po natin siya, guys. Ayan. Ayan. I-high flame po natin siya, guys, para maluto yung ating beef. Medyo makapal yung ginawa natin na beef para yung ating tortang talong. Ayan. Instead na talong lang yung ating makakain is makakakain din tayo ng beef. Ayan. So, ayan. Perfect po yan na pang-ulam para po sa ating pang round box today. We are preparing now. Ngayon po ay evening time dito sa Doha, Qatar. And I'm preparing for this one for tomorrow morning round box. Ayan. We have 3 eggplant. And the same time, we have beef. Ayan, guys. So, ito yung ginagawa natin. Kina-fried natin. Ayan. Medyo hindi pa siya masyadong luto dahil medyo makapal yung ginamit natin na meat na dinagdagan natin ng talong. So guys, ayan, easy to cook po ng torta natin, guys. So guys, ayan, nagluluto na po tayo in the low heat ang ating pong tortang talong, guys. So, ang ginawa ko po dito, nagprito muna ako ng minced beef. Tapos, nilagay po natin yung talong on the middle. And the same time, nilagyan po natin uli on the top ng minced beef. Ayan. para mabuo yung atin pong eggplant torta. Yan. So, medyo hindi pa siya luto. Ayan. And maya-maya ay babalik rin natin. We will turn our eggplants on our pan, guys. So guys, ito na po yung atin pong finished product. Ayan, yung atin pong torta, guys. Ayan, if you can see, ayan, medyo makapal po siya, guys. Magkakapal yung pagkakagawa natin. Buong-buo yung atin pong eggplant